Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is dangerously cute because I have something really amazing to show you. The other day I went to the mall and hopped into Uniseoul and I picked up few things. Here's my bag full of cute AF things. I have tried not to go overboard with the amount of cuteness it has, but let's get started. Are you ready for it? The first one is something that I can accessorize it with any kind of outfit. It's chic yet it's very Pinteresty and it's lavender in color. So this is the bag that I picked up. It has a number of colors that you can pick from. I picked the lavender one. It has a really cute bow in front, and also there's one more bow here and a pearl bow right here. The chain looks quite sturdy. It also comes with the sling attachment. In terms of storage, I think it has a decent amount of storage space. It has a flap inside and a chain inside. This bag was worth 1400 rupees. The next product that I'm going to show you is one of my favorite things. It's skincare, and of course Uniseoul is a Korean brand, so guess what this is. Everybody is raving about these, so of course I had to try these out. This one is a clear skin pad filled with salicylic acid, glycolic acid and matcha tea. It's supposed to be super gentle on your skin but still get the job done. Now I'm all about the glowy, smooth, glossy skin. Pretty excited for this. When I opened it up, it comes with a very cute applicator as well. And this is what it looks like in the light. The toner pads are super thick though. It is filled with a lot of liquids inside. It's kind of a little dried out. I'll keep you guys posted if they live up to the hype. Next up is this body mist that I am absolutely in love with. This body mist is called Busan and it smells really divine. Now it does come in a larger size which I'm planning to get, but this has literally blown my mind. It's quite long lasting as well. This smells like something clean, breezy, sea notes with also a tinge of floral notes in it. So of course go for this body mist. If you want to try it out firsthand, then go for it. And I'm definitely gonna link it in the description box below. Next one is a really cute thing, and I got two of them. Are you ready for it? Okay, so these lamps has been all over my Instagram lately. Super cute and squishy. Look at this duck that has its 2 feet dangling below, and it's really cute and handy. The functionality of these lamps are quite great. C-type charging port here, and there's a switch button here, and you can also time it and then turn it completely on, keep it open, time it for 30 minutes and then turn it off. So yeah, this feels really squishy. If you can see, this is the squishes that it can get, which is very cute. The duck is so freaking cute. I'm just gonna turn it on for y'all to see. This one was around 800 rupees and this one was 1000 rupees, so I got both of them. You can get these on Amazon or some other website as well, but I definitely did not see this design anywhere else, so I'll link it down in the description box below. The last one is something that is an essential for me because I keep using it. It is a cute teddy bear wallet with enough space for you to keep your things. There's a bigger space for you to keep your cash, and then there are space for cards. You can keep your change here, and it retails for around $4.99. There are tons of other designs as well which you can pick from, so yeah, go ahead and splurge. In totality, I spent around this much at Uniseoul, and I'm gonna go back to grab more cute stuff. Let me know if you have any recommendations for me. So that's all for today's haul video. I hope you like the products that I got. Till then, thank you for watching my video, and I'll be back with more cute, engaging stuff. Bye!